I was thinking then, is it?
Nah.
Yeah. And she's off. I haven't even told her to go yet.
I'm sorry.
It's good. No, go on, let's go. Take your time then. Does it drive differently? Can you feel it yet? Ease off a little. We'll go, just take your time.
I don't know, it feels heavier in the wheel.
Okay.
I think that's the only thing I can notice a change of right now, like.
Yeah. Good. Could be a bit more that way.
Yeah.
So think with those bramble bushes there.
Yeah.
Be a bit more to that side and you got it. Just gentle on the gas and you've got it. Let the car do the work as well.
Yeah.
Because think kind of, this is where like you'll probably drive nice and slow.
Yeah.
This is lovely.
It is.
We could actually maybe turn around at the end and come back for a second. Go. Just think here as well. This is the first time it's been off road,
and with your favourite student.
And you're doing it.
What's that supposed to mean, hey? Cheeky bastard.
I haven't even had to go yet. Lovely. Good. Good day to do it on.
It is as well.
Yeah.
Imagine if it was raining.
You know what? A normal car might get down here. A little bit that way now.
Yeah.
So you see all the bushes sticking out. A little check there. Lovely. Yeah, it might be okay in a normal car.
Oh, depending on what car you've got.
Yeah.
If I was in my mum's Mini, I would not want to be doing this.
No. Slightly raised car, it might be alright.
Yeah.
But you see that if you know this route and your car's okay to get down here, that road can get really busy.
Come down
especially
this way.
if there's traffic lights, temporary lights.
Oh, fuck.
It's alright. Before the lights, the traffic can stretch back. So if you know about this, you could head onto this road.
Depending on what car you got, yeah. And cut it through it all.
And cut off, yeah. And you come out at the other side. You know, there's a little, a little police station.
Yeah.
At the other side.
Yeah.
You come out by that.
Oh, okay. As you head towards Preston, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. You'll know when you come out, you'll go, oh my god, yeah.
I know where I am now.
Yeah. Lovely, so that's nice the way you've done that. Just off your gas, let the car do the work itself a little bit.
Yeah.
And it'll just take you slowly.
It does feel weird trying to turn it. Like I'm having to fully put it over this way for a little bit of movement.
Yeah. Excellent. We need to get that creek sorted out because now we can hear it now on this route.
Yeah.
It's called back lane, this.
Oh, this back lane?
I think so, yeah. I think it's called back lane. There's no signpost at that side.
Yeah.
That's why I was unsure if this was actually it.
Ah, right.
Obviously it does get a little bit more off-roady, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And plan your route as well, like if you can kind of wiggle through those, it'll be fine. But you know, if you kind of look far ahead, plan your route, you'll be alright. Like that, you could go around that a little bit, around the edge of it, and then in again. Just makes it a bit smoother, a bit more that way. Lovely. There you go, it's good that. Not bad at all.
I think I might do this every journey, every time we go home.
It's fast, isn't it?
It is.
You might see a bit of wildlife.
Imagine.
Hopefully it's not a dogger's lane. We come round the corner.
Oh, no, but there's bikes though. Nope, is that people walking?
Like that guy on the motorbike then, he probably does this every day, maybe just for a bit of fun on his way home from work.
Oh, I would.
Yeah.
Move, bitches! I'll ram you over. No.
So last week, what was it? The beach?
Yeah.
This week you've got
off-roading.
Off-road.
Do you know what though? Even like little things like this.
Little things, it's the little things.
It is, but also it teaches how to control, actually control the car and to trust yourself while you're driving and stuff.
And trust the vehicle as well, isn't it? Yeah.
By giving them enough space on their side.
Oh, you're fine, yeah. You're alright, yeah. A little bit in this side.
Yeah.
How are we doing? Alright. You alright? Still nice, isn't she?
Uh-oh.
Your first water splash. You win though. It's not that deep.
And even I'm not risking it.
Yeah, look at that. That was boss. Your windows up. Like you're gonna go blub 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 blub.
Hey, you never know. Sometimes things seem a lot shallower than they actually are.
I've come back from Preston a few times and not gone down here, and I've seen people walking the dogs and stuff.
Yeah.
This is ace. This makes me want to go off-road more.
It should. Like, this is why you got this kind of car.
It's only a little basic road, isn't it? Wales, I think, is
that'd
the
be
trip.
brilliant.
Learn a day in Wales.
Yeah.
So we're getting closer.
Yeah.
Costa is at the end of here as well, so if this really takes it out here, you can head on into Costa and have a Costa and then come back. But you don't want to come down here with the coffee.
No.
That would be the test. Don't splash me flat white.
No, yeah, a coffee is not going to survive this.
I bet most people don't even know this is here, apart from local people.
No one probably knows this is here. I wouldn't. Oh shit,
Yeah.
sorry.
Sorry.
I just picked my leg scratched off.
I want more. I want steeper.
I do
I want
now.
more rocks.
I want more things I can climb over. Soon you have one of those
So you
the
can as well change that back to two-wheel drive on the move.
Oh, okay. I thought you... Does the wheel not have to be straight for that though?
Yeah, so you keep your wheels straight. I think you can change up to like 50 mile an hour.
Oh?
Yeah.
Okay.
But we'll come to a stop somewhere around here. Just where this little bit is.
Yeah. Just stopping here a sec. I'm going to have to anyway because of the cars.
It's up. Do you want to go back again? You could do a 3-point turn and go back the other way. I think we should.